Hello guys, welcome again. This is Raj and I hope you are doing great. So in this video I'm going to explain you one of my cash market trade which I took recently. The stock name is Moltech Packaging. The capital that I used for this trade is 81 lakhs and the ROI that I made in this trade is 21%, so 17 lakhs profit. Let me explain you why I took this trade and the pattern that I used, entry, exit and the stop loss in detail. Before that, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. Thank you. Hello guys, so let me search the mold tech. Just be careful while picking up the right script, because don't select the mold tech technology, that is a different company, and also don't select the mold tech packaging from BSE. Select the mold tech packaging from NSE India, okay, because the scripts will be totally different. So this is the pattern, very easy and a simple pattern that we have been trading again and again and again, right? So look at this, it is a neat triangle pattern. At the bottom you would see more than 5 to 6 supports here, and at the top there are like 2 to 3 resistance at the top, and around this area it started to form higher low, which is again a signal that the stock is gaining momentum, right? And I was particularly waiting for this to break out. What happened? So I started buying. The reason why I started buying around 764 to, let me just check the price once again. Yeah, 764.95 on 27th, correct? So 27th would be this day. The reason and at the top I started buying 764 to 765. The reason why I started buying a lot of stocks is because if you look at this candle, they started selling a little bit on this particular day, but all the selling has been absorbed by the buyers. They were quite aggressive. They did not give any time. They just bought it, with an aggressive stance. So that gave me a confirmation that okay, the momentum is definitely here. It is ideal for me to put my stop loss here, and let me just enter this trade. So I entered here. I did not allocate all the capital in one go. I entered in different area, and I exited at a different prices, okay, which is what I'm going to explain it now, and the rationale behind it. So I started buying at 27, 764, 765, and then after 1 week or so, just a moment. So after 1 week or so I bought it again, when there was a nice consolidation. Okay, this was a huge bullish candle. Okay, and then 5 days of retracement. So on 4th I started buying a lot of stocks. Okay, on 3rd, okay, on 3rd I bought few stocks, and on sorry guys, I don't remember much because it's been almost 1 month, right? So I really have to think what I did. So on 3rd I bought few stocks around 809, which is on this red candle, and also on the 4th I bought few from this. Okay, this is when the 4th of August is when the price was little volatile. So I bought it around 819.24. I think I bought it around 806 also. Yeah, so 806 is the last buy from me on 4th. So after this day I did not buy. Okay, so far I have bought it here in this candle, and I bought it on 3rd of August, and also I bought it around the 4th of August. So at this point I allocated around 81 lakhs. Okay, and then in the next 2 days it went up very nicely, and around, let me check, 932 or something, I guess. Yeah, 931. So on 10th of August I started selling a little bit, not everything. I think around 30% of my stock I sold it here. Okay, at this price, 931 range, because I wanted to try few things. I wanted to see if I can exit at a different place, and this is just kind of an experimental, I mean not entirely experimental, but I just wanted to try something different as to, in terms of exiting a stock, and it was quite decent for me, honestly speaking. So I exited few of my stocks here, and then on Let me check again. So on 16th, I guess, right? On 16th, I sold it around 949. So which would be this candle. I sold it around 949 here. This is where I sold it. And the next 2-3 days I was holding. I was in a good profit, but I did not exit any of my stock around 1,000 area. I had to wait. And then on this day, I was not particularly happy with the wick that has formed on 19th of August. So I thought this there could be a little more retrace. I don't know. I could be wrong because it is a mid cap or small cap. I don't know. I'm sure it is a small cap to mid cap, something like that, not large cap. So anything could happen. A huge green candle could form, but I was already on 17%. I mean, a decent profit. So to rephrase it again, I exited few stocks around 15%. I exited few stocks around 19%, and then again 21%. So this is how my exit has been, and on an average, my entire exit is 17%. So I allocated around 81 lakhs, and my profit is 17%. Sorry, 17 lakhs, and my ROI is, I think I'll just post it here. You can check my ROI. So yeah, 21%, I guess. I don't know. So yeah, that would be all, guys. I hope you learned something from this video. And yes, I did post and I also made sure to post it after the breakout, because I did not want my JFT members to take a risk, because there could be a breakdown as well. So I thought I would post it after the breakout. So after this candle, I think I posted it. Let me check. Yeah, this is when I posted it, and you could see some made money. Not some, only one. Probably many made money. Not everyone posted here. So yeah, this was a very good trade. And as a price action trader, your job is to enter a stock at the right time. So I feel that my entry here was perfect, and even when I reallocate, sorry, not reallocated, when I re-entered in the stock, my entry was perfect. I entered here, and on this small red candle, after I re-entered again, this went up. Okay. After here, I did not want to allocate more, because the stock has moved drastically around 15%. You don't want to see more than 15-16%. So you don't want to average it after after a stock moves 16%, right? So my exit and entry has been quite different in this stock, because generally what I do, I enter in one go and I exit in one go. So this is how it has been in the past. So this is also good. So yeah, I hope you learned something from this video. These are the patterns that you often find in many of the stocks. Okay, your job is just to go through all these stocks and set alerts and take these trades. Okay, if you are not able to do that, if you are busy in your job, you can join our membership, where we trade stocks like this and make money. So please consider joining it. You will find all the details in my website, justfortraders.in. Hope you learned something from this video. See you soon again. Thank you so much.